If English is not your native language and you constantly misspell words, then there is a great extension for checking the spellings. As you see here, there are some not correct words and they have underline. When you hover over the underlined word, then you see here two options: view problem and quick fix. Quick fix, here you get suggestions, HDMI, HTML, correct, and then programming. Again, you have quick fix, programming, and then another quick fix, language. Very nice, beautiful. Go to the extensions and then search here code spell checker. Install the extension, and after the installation completed, go back and it checks all the words in all files. It really helps if you misspell words a lot. That's it guys. If it was helpful, like the video. Check out my other videos on my channel. I have posted many helpful, useful courses and tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your projects and with your job. Thanks for watching. Take care and have beautiful times.